Good morning everyone, how's it going? Welcome to this video review. Guys, today I want to talk to you about a supplement that can actually help you lose weight and at the same time help you take care of your liver. So you're going to be slimming down, fixing your overall health with Liv Pure. Of course, there's like so much you have to know about it before you come to purchase it or before you even think about using it. So just make sure you don't want to miss out on like the most important infos ever and watch this video until the last minute, okay? There's so much I want to share with you guys, so much that needs to be learned. I want you guys to really fully know what you're getting yourselves into. Also guys, like if you want to purchase Liv Pure, like the only place you're going to find it on the internet is on their official website. By leaving the link here for you guys, you know, it's gonna be so much more easier for you to find it. And once you click down here, you'll be redirected straight over there without wasting your time on the internet, like looking for it, you know? Liv Pure, it's so cool because it's like the only product in the world that contains a proprietary liver purification and liver fat burning complex. And each and every one of these capsules, they like contain a unique blend of Mediterranean plants and super nutrients designed to rapidly optimize your liver function. So if you are struggling with like being overweight, you wanna totally slim down, you wanna also take care of like your overall health at the same time, you can do just that with Liv Pure, all right? So Liv Pure, it has like 5 super nutrients that are all designed to fire up your fat burning furnace and boost your metabolism while at the same time support a healthy, sustainable weight loss. So it's very, very great in doing what it does. And let me just tell you that Liv Pure, it is a natural supplement. So it is completely free from like any GMOs. It is free from toxins, from free radicals, things like that, you know? Meaning you're getting a supplement that is 100% healthy, natural, and that will not damage your overall health. So how awesome is that, right? So basically by supporting your body's natural detoxification process, you guys can speed up calorie burning and put your body into like a full fat burning mode, you know? And it has like another 5 super nutrients that are all designed to support the body's detoxification process and support the health of your liver and basically dramatically maintain your overall health and energy. So with Liv Pure, you're gonna lose weight, guys. You're gonna lose weight, have a lot of energy, a lot of disposition, and your whole body will be like in a detoxification like process, getting rid of any like toxins, any inflammation, basically anything that is laying inside your body, causing your overall health to not be so healthy. So Liv Pure today, like right now, it is a supplement that is like really high on the pedestal. Like lots of people are using it, you know, lots of people are getting awesome results out of it. And you have to take your treatment very, very seriously. So if you want to lose weight, tone down, you just have to remember to use Liv Pure on like a regular daily basis, okay? And also guys, you're backed by a 60-day money back guarantee. So think about that. Give Liv Pure a shot, visit the official website, read out people's feedbacks. Maybe you're gonna relate to a story or two and give yourselves the chance to be slimmer and healthier as well. Now, I love their official website here, okay? If you have any questions or any doubts, leave them in the comments below for me to help you out. But for now, thanks for watching this video. Have a great week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.